Land banking versus savings accounts in Nigeria. Which wins? In 2020, two friends had 5 million naira lying idle in the bank. One put his money in a savings account in Nigeria, while the other bought a very, very good land in an emerging area. Fast forward to 2026, one is celebrating because his account balance is increased, while the other is celebrating because the land is now worth almost double. On the line, almost double. Both of them think they have made money, but only one actually beat inflation. So I think it's high time we settle that score. We hear this argument a whole lot. Land banking versus savings account. Who is really winning this battle? So let's call them Tunde and Chinedu. In January 2020, Tunde deposited 5 million naira into a savings account. Chinedu bought a plot of land in a developing corridor. Remember, no building, no tenants, no rents, just land. 5 years later, Tunde proudly logs into his banking app. Chinedu drives past his land and sees estates, new development, roads springing up from left, right, and center. The question is, who made the smarter move? I'm sure most Nigerians will immediately say, obviously the landowner. But let's not use emotions here. Let's use numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, numbers. Okay, let's start with the savings account. According to recent banking data, many Nigerian banks pay roughly between 7% and 8% interest annually. Let's assume Tunde earned 8% yearly. 5% at 8% annual growth for 5 years become approximately 7.35 million. And for a lot of people that sounds good, but is it good? Wrong, because inflation entered the group charts. Inflation will eat it totally. Nigeria's inflation rate has remained significantly higher than savings account returns, reaching over 23% in 2025 alone, according to the NDS report. And you can do your findings as well. And what has happened? Your money may be growing in numbers, but shrinking in purchasing power. In simple English, your account balance increased, but your buying power, what? Reduced. That's the difference between making money and doing what? Preserving wealth. So guys, let's look at Chinedu. Chinedu bought land in a growth corridor. Not Ikoyi, not VI, not Ibejuleki, not Lekki Phase 1. He bought in an area where a lot of people call bush back then. But today, we are talking about road, infrastructure, developers, new estate, commercial activities. Many growth corridors across Nigeria have recorded significant land appreciation as infrastructure expands and population moves outward. Industry reports commonly estimate land banking returns in fast-growing locations between 25% and 45% annually, depending on location and timing. Very, very important. So even if Chinedu achieved only half of those returns, his land could easily be worth far more than the land value generated by traditional savings accounts. So I ask you, do you see the reason why smart investors don't just save money? They don't just save money. They convert money into assets. Mr. Property, what is your opinion? My unpopular opinion on this topic. Most Nigerians save money for goals that require investing. I am going to say that again. Most Nigerians save money for goals that require investing. If your goal is building a house, building wealth, leaving a legacy, or protecting yourself from inflation, then a savings account alone may never get you there. Savings accounts are excellent for emergency funds, short-term expenses, liquidity. But when it comes to long-term wealth creation, assets usually do the heavy lifting. That's why many Nigerians continue to see real estate as one of the safest stores of wealth during economic uncertainty. Now, here's the part nobody tells you, but Mr. Property will, of course. Land banking does not automatically beat savings. That's not the essence of this video. I repeat, land banking does not automatically beat savings. Buying land does not automatically make you rich. You have been watching too many videos online. Bad location, bad title, no infrastructure, no demand. You can hold that land for 10 years and still struggle to sell it. In fact, many Nigerians have bought land in the wrong places and watched inflation quietly eat their returns. These people I'm talking about, you see them in the comment section. The winner is not land. The winner is strategic land acquisition. Location beats emotions every day. Due diligence beats hype every day. Research beats speculation. So ladies and gentlemen, before you make that very important, bold move, know the difference between land banking and saving your money in the bank. Like I said, land banking does not automatically beat savings accounts. So if you think that's the essence of this video, sorry to disappoint you. So if you're looking at a fast growth corridor for your land banking, I have something that is perfectly suitable for this. I need you to comment the word appreciate in the comments, and we will reach out to you. And also, I want to hear from you today. If someone gave you 10 million naira today, like now, would you A, put it in a savings account, B, buy land, and C, split it between both? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you're watching from the UK, US, Canada, UAE, or anywhere in diaspora, tell us where you are watching this video from. Just drop it in the comment section as well. And I need you to follow this page for practical real estate insights, wealth building strategies, and the truth behind Nigeria's biggest investment decisions or secrets. I will see you in my next video. I remain Dr. Mayomi Williams, aka Mr. Property, the Property. See you in my next video. Pumba!